Hello, thank you for purchasing the 1x1 Ganjagrid plant vibration trainer. This video is how to install the extenders that allow you to vibrate additional plants. Note, 4 extenders come with your grid. If additional extenders are required, please visit www.ganjagrid.com. There are 2 purse locks that secure your 4 extenders in the bundle. Go ahead and remove them, but do not discard them as they can be used later on. Let's go ahead and look at one of the extenders. There are 2 different ends. One end wraps around your stalk and is bent outward from the main rail. This is where you will hook your stalk around. If you would like to use your purse locks here, feel free to do so. The other end has your Z-bend. The Z-bend is placed underneath one of the support rails in order to secure the extender to the grid. Place the extender from underneath the grid in between the 2 outer rails. Then slightly force the Z-bend underneath one of the supports. This one is ready to go. This allows you for multiple different configurations for you to be able to customize your grow and the position of where your plants are. As you can see, a stalk can be placed around the hook and removed for maintenance at any time. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, share, and post your pictures so we can continue to grow with you.